Hi guys, good evening guys. Pagod kami guys. Disappointing kasi galing kami sa Filipino street foods, yung barbecue. Tapos pagpunta namin doon guys, lang meron guys. Chicken barbecue, walang guys, walang pork at saka walang rice. Kaya kapagod guys. Tapos kumain na lang kami ng ice cream. Sakay pa kami ng bus para makapunta doon. Tapos wala pa lang walang chicken, pork barbecue at saka rice guys. Cucumber na lang kinain namin at saka yung chicken skewers. Yun na lang. Okay guys, tingnan natin guys. Yung store, yung doon. Yung street foods nila. Let's go guys. Thank you.